Right, well the past hour, my piece of shit phone, Motorola, you fuck, didn't record anything. I spent an hour shut my bollocks off, nearly passing out from flu and cold and all the rest of it, to get in this far. Because of the wind, it's mainly coming from the north, which is that direction. That's where I got most of the protection. It could change during the night. But before I do crash, I'm going to drop this side down, tie it onto some rocks to cover it up. Yeah, I got 3 bits of tech, a lighter and a radio. Yeah, they got torches built in, all the rest of it, but they're waterproof, 100%, because they're from China. My phone is an American piece of shit, Israeli, anyway. So it sees water, it stops recording, or deletes what it has recorded. Yeah, basically I think whenever it senses or it comes across that someone's mentioning Israel, it deletes the footage. Yeah, fucking genocidal, baby murdering scum fucking cunts. Anyway, yeah, I nearly made myself throw up earlier as well because I feel like shit, and it's not just because I got a cold and flu, it's the food. And let's face, if the OUVs are going to poison baby food for 100 years, killing a couple of billion children, they also poison the food you eat and the water supply. So, and it's not as if buying veg makes a difference. Not when it oozes toxic fucking slime after 2 days. Yeah, this is going to be a nightmare. Because even though it's a 5x5 tarp, it is being a real bastard to tie up. It really is. And I've got no idea what I'm doing. My brain is so fried. I've nearly passed out twice. I've not even sat down properly yet. So, yeah, give me a quick fucking video session this time. Yeah, over an hour I was pissing about and my phone just decided to delete everything I recorded. Fucking genocidal American Israeli cunts. Anyway, freezing my ass off. Fuck it, it's up for the time being. And I've not finished putting everything together. I want to get a fire lit. Everything's sodding. And I am shivering, so I've got to put some dry stuff on. I hope it doesn't rain. I know it's going to piss down later, but I need to get some dry on because what I'm wearing is soaked. Trousers are dried out. I've been walking around, and so fire. So I can get on some hot water for me noodles, get some heat into me.